What's up everyone? Just a quick video here to show you how to replace your windshield wipers. There are several ways to tell if you need to replace your windshield wipers, such as if there's streaking on the glass when the wipers are on, or if there's a screeching sound when the wipers are on. You can go to your local Walmart or auto parts store to buy replacement wiper blades. Usually you can find a reference manual. All you do is find your model, your make, your year, and beside that it'll tell you the size you need. Right, so we're going to raise the wiper arm up. I have a J hook on the end of my wiper arm, so all I'm going to do is pull the wiper blade straight down and it comes off. We unpackaged our new wiper blades and we're ready to put the first one on. On this kind, there's going to be 2 tabs on each side you got to push. That will release the lock and clip. And then we're going to fit it through the hole, put it in, pull up, and then close the clip to lock it. Now that the driver's side is done, we're going to repeat the same process on the passenger side. And that's it. That's how you replace your wiper blades. If y'all found this helpful, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing.